Hey Santi, it's Mr. Wall here. Hope you're doing well. Sorry you can't see my face, but I'm using a different screen recorder. I just wanted to set up today's lesson for you and then let you get going. So the objective is you should be able to organize and explain your thinking when you're solving these tasks, okay? Now I know you're really good at solving tasks, but not always in the organization and explanation of your thinking. So I'm going to give you a graphic organizer. I want you to fill it out the best you can. And then I'll provide you an example and go check how yours is, and we'll do that a few times. Really, it is the organization and explanation of your thinking that I'm concerned with. So this is the first example here. It's about a carnival. I want you to read through it. Read it the best you can, and remember when you read the whole thing first, and then go back and look for important information. I underline that somehow. And then I would like for you to fill out this problem-solving template. My suggestion is that you do it on paper pencil, because it's really hard to write on Seesaw, but it's up to you. If you want to do it on Seesaw, you can. So what are you trying to figure out in the problem? What do you know? What guesses do you have? Do that first, and then stop here, okay? Stop for a second and just think about it. Make sure you have all of that information filled in first, and then you go to the next part. Think of a strategy that you could use to solve that. You can make a table, draw a picture, act it out, use what you know, whatever resources you want to solve that. And then finally, after you do all your work here, I want you to write up your conclusion using complete sentences. What does the answer mean? Answer your question here. This is where you answer that first question, and make sure you answer it in a sentence, okay? And then try to connect it to something else. What other problems have you seen that are similar to this one? What does it make you think of? What do you want to know more about? Any connection that you can make, that goes in this area. Okay, so that's your task for today. And you'll notice that's the example. I am going to put my sample in here as well, so that you get to see what I did, but that doesn't mean it's the only way to do it. It's just one way to do it. Once you finish that, there's this task 1 for you to do on your own, task 2 for you to do on your own, and then task 3 for you to do on your own, okay?